Let's explore the various types of content delivery. First, the display text node. You're familiar with this one. Use it to deliver any text-based content. Next, the display HTML node. Here you can use an HTML page as your content. Embed videos from YouTube or any other platform as needed. Moving on to the display image node. To show an image, you'll need to provide the image using the image node. Lastly, the play sound node. Similar to the images, you'll need to provide the audio file using the audio node. Join the future of education today. Ready to transform your educational approach? Visit www.learningflow.ai and sign up to access these groundbreaking tools.